let's say think to you, because like I'm sorry. Very good. We will decide to switch things only, but switch is not happening now. How we are you are very good here. How class you know? Very science. Now class, what happened in our class? You can see what is your mark you got in maths? That is a good news. I will share to your parents, okay? And if Sawmill's case, Sawmill look after, okay? So they his parents will look after. But think about your case. So I like you also very much. But mark is not there means I don't like the people. Next time we will get after that I like it. So come here, then and IIT, come to the second. It's all is then come to the second. What is more or less? So maybe. Huh? Give all of them. Then who's missing now? Huh? That. And all way, okay. You're going to come. It's Ryan, nobody's there now. What do you want to happen to you since you showing this? Really not much. Let me use the thing outside. So you should come and sit inside now. Oh, holy. Yeah. Okay. So sit down, all of you. Then who is missing now here? Other than Ryan, who is missing? Vedant. And Anthi. All others are from Ryan only. Oh. Okay. One more is no voice. Oh, that only. Which chapter you are doing? Huh? All of you be quiet. Have you missed any topic which is done in the different? Huh? Anything is missed? Which was the previous event because of your test paper? What problem you have maths exam? Reflection and height and distance is there. Are you be quiet, close your mouth and let us speak now. What is your problem? And you just close your mouth. Let us speak now. And after that, I'll ask you to speak, okay? She started speaking now. That time you were talking to her, you know. You have Sanjeevani now. Sanjeevani standard. What all chapters are missing? Reflection. You sit down now. On each standard, what is your problem? You tell. Less than difference and reflection. Okay. Now anyway, so one reflection is there. Less than difference. Less than difference is not good. Any others are there? Correct questions. Yeah, you don't. So first you tell what is your problem. Who want to go on the line? No. You have any exam? Why 3 are come become standard? Sarah come here. Come on, sit here. Akshara. Second and third I got. If 32 mark and second is okay. Very. Phone also. अरे phone later you can take ना. And give it inside. Inside the knife. See? Okay. Now I don't understand. What is your problem? Everyone is absent. Over. You start now. Okay. So who all want reflection? So first we reflection. You also want reflection now? Acha, you don't know. What is that? You are from which school? Frank Arthur. Why you don't have exam? The English grammar. English grammar. Prepare. Say what paper was it? Math. How was your math paper? 65. 65 plus. Where is the question paper? Easy paper. Yeah? Very lengthy. Very lengthy means of sorry. Easy one, very lengthy. Get down. Yeah. Akshara is some identity to that side. No. No. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Right. Chapter name reflection. Reflection is basically easy chapter. Oh. Inside. Inside and give to us inside. None of the AC. So you tell us that no, it's 59. 8.3% about the This is the volume 1. Graph is there with you, people now. Huh? With the graph is there. After reflection. Write down. By the way, listen all of you. Heading chapter written, heading reflection. Yeah. British standard. I said to this all there. I did not ask you to move down. You are continuously talking about it. Yeah, fast. Fast. Then call fast. Only okay. Wait, already tell me. Who also saying the same class to my talking? Same classroom, no?
Yeah, only one class.
That means it's a team possible, you know. That means I get no chance to. That's it. Okay, all of you science. You all are science. By the way, the section, listen all of you. It is a part in the volume part, not in volume two. You will do it later. Listen carefully first. First of all of you know x-axis, y-axis. Okay, x-axis. I think we have discussed a lot of time before. X-axis, y-axis. X-axis which line? Horizontal line. Y-axis, vertical line. When meet at the point, origin. What is the coordinate of the origin? 0, comma 0. If a point on the x-axis, value y is equal to 0. That means all of you know. Oh yeah, why you are coming now? Seven for come now. Coming. A point is on the x-axis, value of y is equal to 0. So any point on the x-axis of the form x comma 0. So write down any point on the x-axis, a point on the x-axis of the form. A point on x-axis is x comma 0. Point on y-axis is 0 comma y. Then next origin 0 0. Origin 0 comma 0. Next any point is x comma y. This is written. These are the common things remember. X coordinate is also known as x coordinate is also known as. What about this one? Abscissa. First time hearing abscissa. Did you hear? Is it right for? She's not. She's time pass doing it. Not in the graph book. In the no. Arya. Well, Peter. Okay. Then don't tell me. Book also over. He did not bring the new book. Y coordinate. These are known as what? Ordinate. X coordinate, Y coordinate. Okay, Y coordinate is known as the ordinate. Written all of you. This much. Now, so this is the basic of your coordinate geometry. This I. Right? Okay. So then we are going to do one by one. What is the meaning of reflection? Reflection means basically mirror image. Have you heard about mirror image? Anywhere have you seen the mirror image? When you stand in front of the mirror, you will see the image. That image is called mirror image. Where is the image? Okay. Huh? Behind the mirror. Is it on the surface of the mirror or behind the mirror? Behind the mirror. This is called the property we are going to talk about the reflection. Over here, suppose it is coming as there is a point over here. Let's say P. If this is the line, if this line acts as the mirror, you will get its image behind. This P dash is called the image of P under the reflection of this line L. Then, if it is P dash, then you will see this will be perpendicular and these two parts will be equal. Means this line L is the perpendicular bisector of this one. That is the property. Suppose if we, how will you find the mirror image? Draw the perpendicular bisector. Here. These two are equal. Are you followed? If you find out a point C, how will you find the mirror of this one? So you draw where it is meeting C dash is the mirror. Okay. These two parts will be equal. And this one. Understood or not? Suppose if C was there, this is the mirror. Then from here, draw perpendicular. You will get a set. Okay. That is the first condition it is coming. Mirror and this one. Followed, what is the basic concept? Okay, so heading right. Reflection. Reflection. Yeah, why you are coming now? Yes, so very good. You are from which school? Sleeping only. The fan, what all things, AC fan, what all things you needed? Then, right. When an object is placed before the mirror, when an object, getting reflection is written now. When an object is placed before the mirror, the image formed at the same distance behind the mirror. Image formed at the same distance. Image formed at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. As the object is in front of it. All of you written this much? Okay. Now, you draw one line and this way. One, like, so that I will explain with the help of the figure, it will be better. One line. P and P dash. Okay, wait. What happened? Oh. Did you draw? I will draw this figure. See quickly. You don't have a sleep. I forget everything. Backbook is there. Yeah. Figure is drawn over there. Okay. All right. To find the image of a point P. To find the image of the point P in a line AB. To find the image of the point P in a line AB. Consider AB as plane mirror and P as the object. Plane mirror and P as the object. Written P dash is on the other side of AB. P dash is on other side of AB such that P dash is at the same distance such that P dash is at the same distance from AB as P from it. P dash is at the same distance from AB as P from it. Written next below it. P dash is the image of point P. P dash is the image of point P in the line AB. In the line AB. Okay. Next line, right? Line AB is the perpendicular bisector of PP dash. Line AB is the perpendicular bisector of PP dash. Then, below right, line AB is called the mirror line or mediator. Line AB is called the mirror line. Line AB is called the mirror line.
Hello, hello. Hello.
हो थांब जरा काहीतरी प्रॉब्लेम झालाय.
And how it is coming in. Next one, bring new book, okay? Arya, she comes to talk to you only. When is your exam, Sanjeevani?
37.
Huh? Next Thursday. All Sanjeevani stand up. How many chapters are there in exam?
Three
Ah.
chapters.
Only 3 chapters out
20
of
marks only.
huh?
20 marks.
20 marks only. I should get the marks, full mark. Full mark. You also full mark can get na? Possible na? Arya, possible. He was missed sometime, okay. But good mark has to come. Practice well. Textbook only you have to practice now. Ryan is having 9 chapters, 10 chapters. So 3 chapters, you have to get very good marks. Okay. Not that out of the 20, 10 marks, 11 marks and all. That is not considered good mark. It should be above 17, 18 marks. Sarah, last time you also not done well. I'm waiting for your mummy. Sit down. Now look here. I'm going to explain this one. Wait. Avlon, preparing now for exams. Okay, x-axis, y-axis. Again, this girl, I will, Akshara, don't need to ask now. Coordinator P is 3, 4. Okay, I wanted. This girl. You come and sit over here so that I can slap you, okay? Coordinator point is which one? 3, 4. If the mirror line is x-axis, so reflection in x-axis I'm going to do. How will you do it? You have to drop the perpendicular to reach over here. So when it is reach over here, it will be P dash. If you see this one, what will remain same? X coordinate will be same 3 only, no? Then y coordinate, this distance is 4, this distance is 4. Therefore, this is 3, minus 4. P is reflected in x-axis. You got P dash whose coordinate is 3, minus 4. Are we followed, all of you? Yes or no? Tell me. Suppose if I take another point, let's say Q. Okay. Let's say this is coming as, let's say as a minus 4, 2. If you are reflecting over here, it will reach to Q dash. Then what will be coming? This x coordinate will be minus 4. Therefore, this is minus 4. This then this 2 means this length also is 2. Therefore, it will be minus 4 minus 2. Are you following or not? Suppose if I take a point R over here, let's say this is coming as let's say 7, minus 2 or minus 3. So reflecting means it will go up. You will get R dash. So 7 will remain 7 and it will be, this is 3 means this is 3, above means 7, 3. All these cases, what changes? Y changes, X remains same. Means Mx, X comma Y will be X comma minus Y. Learned or not? Mx, X comma Y is X comma minus Y. X comma Y is X comma minus Y. X remains X, Y will changes. Follow the first formula. This is the first formula. Okay. Now look over here. If I take this one of them, if it is reflected about the y-axis, it will come over here. Let's say it is P double dash. In this case, y coordinate will remain the same now. Therefore, this is 4. And this length is 3 means this also is 3. Therefore, it's minus 3, 4. Are you followed? Okay. Same thing I can do the other one also. So that means in this case, what will be changing? X is changing, Y remain the same. Therefore, your formula is my x comma y is equal to minus x comma y. Reflection in y-axis. Are you following? Followed or not? You know it now. Okay. You are followed. Followed. You are followed. Now, if I go into third one, reflection in origin. Reflection in origin means this way. It will be coming over here. Then this distance it will come minus 3 minus 4. Both will change opposite to this one. Therefore, MO x comma y is equal to how much? Minus x comma minus. These three learned. Sarah learned. What is MX x comma y?
X. Comma minus
MYX comma Y.
minus X.
Minus X comma Y. MYX comma Y. Minus X comma minus Y. Property is done. Yes or no? I did not ask anyone to write. I will give you. Sorry. Is it clear? Now, well, this much is clear, all of you, that we are going to write. First, reading right. Reflection in x-axis. Reflection in x-axis or the line y equal to 0. Reflection in x-axis or the line y is equal to 0. Means, what is y equal to 0 means? In bracket, right, y equal to 0 is x-axis. Okay, whenever it's written the line y equal to 0 means it is what? X-axis. Do you know why it is? Because along the x-axis value y is always 0. Are you followed? Okay, so we are going to write down. Directly you can write, okay, mx x comma y. Mx x comma y is equal to x comma minus y. Clear? Okay. Osara. Next. So that is enough. Second one. Reflection in y-axis. Reflection in y-axis. Or the line. Which line? X is equal to 0. Reflection in y-axis or the line x is equal to 0. So what does it mean x equal to 0 means? Line x equal to 0 is y-axis. Is my x comma y is equal to minus x comma y. Okay, what do you mean by mx? My reflection in x-axis. My reflection in y-axis. Third one, reflection in origin. Origin is a point, okay? Reflection in origin is MO x comma y is equal to minus x minus y. Minus x minus y. Okay, written all of you. Okay. So three formula you learned: mx x comma y, my x comma y, my x comma y. All the three learned now, because this is the main thing we are going to apply. Mx x comma y means what? Mx x comma y means what? Reflection x-axis. Means what is the answer you got? X comma minus y. My x comma y with the what is meaning of my x comma y? Reflection is y-axis. Is it minus x comma y? What is my x comma y?
Minus X.
What is the meaning of MO? Reflection in origin. X-axis is a line, y-axis is a line, origin is a point. Okay, this much is clear. Okay, what is mirror line means here? What is a mirror line if you do reflection in x-axis? X-axis, the mirror line. What is another word for mirror line? Mediator. Okay, understood. This is here. When there is no mirror line, origin is called the mediator. Okay, next. Next another point. Invariant point. Invariant point. Invariant. Variant. Invariant point. Right, what is it? A point that remains unaltered. A point that remains unaltered under any transformation. A point that remains unaltered under any transformation is called invariant point. Are you followed? Yes. means the image mirror image will be same. For example, look here. What is mx 5 comma 0? What is mx 5 comma 0? 5 comma minus 0 means 5 comma 0 no. The point and its image is same now. Therefore, we say 5 comma 0 is an invariant under the which reflection? Under the reflection in x-axis. Are you followed? Can you tell me where is 5 comma 0? On x-axis. Means any point on the mirror will be always invariant. Are you followed? Is all right. Any point on the mirror line. Any point on the mirror line is always invariant. Always invariant. Okay. Are you followed? Means any point on x-axis will be invariant under which line? X-axis, not in y-axis. Look here. Look, this is mx x 5 comma 0 is this one. Whereas what is my 5 comma 0? Minus 5 0. Is it invariant? No. Okay. If it is on, whereas if I write my 0 comma 5, check how much you'll get. 0 comma 5. That means if a point on y-axis, it is invariant on y-axis. Mirror y-axis. Okay. How about origin? How about origin? Is it invariant on x-axis? If it is invariant on y-axis, is it invariant on origin? Yes, all right. Origin is invariant under the reflection on x-axis, comma y-axis and origin. If origin is invariant under the reflection in the x-axis, comma y-axis and origin. Okay. If you want to write the other two also write any point on x-axis. Any point on x-axis is invariant. Any point on x-axis is invariant under the reflection in the x-axis. Any point on x-axis is invariant under the reflection in x-axis. Are you practicing nowadays? What did you practice yesterday in maths? Pakka. Very good. How man? After exam over, Akshara, did you open math book? What did you practice? Sure. You know trigonometry, no? What is x square theta equal to? Sec square theta equal to. It's wrong. One sec square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. SCC is sec square theta equal to 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta. Without knowing identity, what you are practicing? No. Second triangle for identity doesn't know. Just started. Okay. Now you want to ask her somewhere. She will tell the formula. Then, so written next any point on y-axis. Any point on y-axis is invariant. Is invariant under the reflection. Under the reflection in the line y-axis. Under the reflection in the line y-axis. Now full time. See nowadays these both of you are worse than boys. Okay. Today so they are not there. So full time I don't need to look at these people. Vidhi is separated. So they are only you two. Now look. I am going to do two reflections, mx, my. In this one, first, what will you do the reflection? My or mx? Not mx, my. You cannot do this one jump, no. This will be, first you do this reflection, mx, then this will come out what? Minus 3 comma 5. Are you followed? Take this one. What is my x comma y? Minus xy, no? Are you followed or not? Not followed, tell. Arey ki I am asking you. What followed? What is my x comma y?
Minus.
So I wrote that only. So mx remain mx. This become minus 3 comma 5. Now, what is mx minus 3 comma 5? Minus 3 minus 5. No, followed or not? Sure. Not followed. Followed. Check what is MO 3 comma 5. What is it? Minus 3 minus 5. Therefore, single reflection now. See, same answer coming. That means mx, my will be same as mo. Wait. Relax now. Relax. Suppose if I take another one, let's see. If I am going to do mx, mo. Another point, okay, minus 5, 7. Let's do. First, what do you do? Mx. How do you do mx? First is m. So then tell what is mx? Sarah, for you I switched off the AC and you're sleeping. What is mo minus 5 comma 7? Wrong. 5 comma minus 7. Arya, mx 5 comma minus 7. Minus 5, wrong. What is m? That means you have to remember three things only. What are the three things to remember? Mx x comma y is what? X comma minus y. My x comma y is what? Minus xy. My x comma y. Minus x. So mx x comma y means what will change? Opposite one. Y changes. Therefore it is 5 comma 7. Are we followed? What is missing one? My. Let's say my minus 5 comma 7. Arya key. Arya key is there. What is my minus 5 comma 7? 5 minus 5 comma 7. See, is it the same answer coming? That means mx mo is equal to my. Same way you can find out my mo will be equal to mx. This way you can, the question will ask proving also. Okay, are you followed? So that means its single transformation is mx. Its simple transformation is okay. Now, okay, this much is clear. Now think, listen here. What is the meaning of mx, my? Reflection in y-axis and then reflection in x-axis. What is the meaning of mx, mo? Reflection in origin and reflection in x-axis. Are you following? What is the meaning of mo, my? That is, what is the meaning? Reflection in origin and reflection in y. So write the property. Right. This way write. Mx my is equal to my mx is equal to mo. Both of them will be same. Second one. Mx mo is equal to mo mx is equal to my. Third one. My mo is equal to mo my is equal to mx. Okay. Write down. Vidhi, are you writing? Error. PPC tell it. What? How much? What she's talking all the time? I don't know. Every time this much story she has to tell. Home story she tells. Mommy did something. Then what is going on all the time? At the school story saying. You also in the same division? All of you are same division. Huh? So who is the most talkative in the school? Huh? कुछ भी बोलते हैं. I'll ask him, who is the most talkative in the class? Of course. Out of them. In the school, is there anyone more talkative than Vidhi? He. Are they all don't open the book. He. I never seen he open his mouth. Are yaar. In the school, someone else is there. More talkative than you. Chalo. Is it clear this much? Okay. Now, the chapter main part is over. Okay. Then these all reflection questions will come. Figure. Graphically, you have to draw. Graph is there with you. All of you have the graph book now. Okay. First you write 2-3 questions, then I will give you. Okay. Volume 1 is there with you. Now those who have volume 1, raise your hand. Majority doesn't have. I will give 1 or 2 questions, then I will give the graph. I'll give you the question. Don't worry, relax. Okay. No. Okay. You a basic question, do you know? All of you know. I'm not giving you this one. Okay. That's a good point. Okay. It may be short. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. A is 2,6. B minus 3,5. C 4,7. Reflected in y-axis. You get A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay. Next, A dash, B dash, C dash. Reflected in origin. To get A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Okay. All of you find out what is A dash, B dash, C dash, and A double dash, B dash. Find out all. AC, A dash, B dash, C dash. This is C, A dash, B dash, C dash. Oh, this one, C for opposite. Okay, fine. Thoroughly, no? Tension here. So find out what is A dash, B dash, C dash. Reflected in y-axis. So what do you do? Shall I show? First one. A is 2,6. And write my 2,6. What is it? My 2,6 is equal to minus 2,6. Therefore, A dash is minus 2,6. Are you followed? So find out B dash, C dash. Then find out A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. Why are you looking copies? Boy, so you do it, I will check for you. Okay. Find out A dash, write the step properly. Okay. Find A dash, B dash, C dash. Don't write this way. You have to write properly. Okay. By at least property you have to write at least. Don't write this way. Okay. My. Second one. My minus 3,5. My minus 3,5. Is on it. 3,5. Then third one. My 4,7 equal what? Minus 4,7. Therefore, B dash is 3,5 and C dash is minus 4, 7. All of you followed this way. All of you got. Everyone got. Ariki did not get. You got it. Oh, smart girl. Now, we have to find out A double dash, B double dash, C double dash. How will you get? A dash is reflected in origin. So, MO. So, A dash is what? Minus 2 comma 6. Therefore, MO minus 2 comma 6. What is the answer? 2 comma minus 6. Therefore, A double dash is minus 2 comma minus 6. Same way, MO of next one, 3 comma 5 is what? Minus 3 minus 5. Therefore, B double dash is equal to how much? Minus 3 comma minus 5. Third one, MO of minus 4 7 is equal to 4 comma minus 7. Therefore, C double dash is equal to 4 comma minus 7. Got it? Which formula? You cannot use the formula. The question read. What is the question is written? Can you switch off the fan? Done. Happy? What else? Okay. Not use any formula. There is a formula given a shortcut only. It is not there in the textbook. Okay. Now, next is what is a single transformation to A dash? MX. What is used? MY used, MO used. Therefore, it is single transformation is MX. That is reflection in the line x-axis. That means you have to write. Are you followed? It's all answers very easily you can score. It's a 3-mark question. Directly you get. Understood? Clear? No problem. Okay. Now, I'll give a graph question. There is a little extra one in there that I will explain later. Use graph paper. I will write the question. Use a graph paper. A 2 comma 3, B 4 comma 5, C 7 comma 2 for triangle ABC. Okay. Okay. Now A dash, B dash, C dash is obtained by reflectors in origin. Okay. Then A double dash, B double dash, C double dash is image of triangle ABC reflected in x-axis. Okay. Okay. Draw quadrilateral BC, C double dash, B double dash, and name the type. Also find its area. Graph paper, draw all these things. No need to write anything. What happened? What she is looking? This Sarah even yesterday, she is not doing anything. She is looking around there also. No scale, no pencil. And then take it and do it now. Draw x-axis, y-axis. Now what else? Take the scale and pencil and draw now. Draw the graph. First you plot ABC. Then find out A dash, B dash, C dash. You have to draw the graph only, nothing else to do. Time is getting over quickly. Before hello, time pass करके the chapter exercise time will be over. Wait. Still. Quick. Graph पर के मार. Then video. ABC mark. अरे 1, 2, 3 later you can write mark ABC ना. A is 2,3. Right A. That is 2,3 meter. Then B 4, 5. Yes, it's a 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3 right now. It's a 2, 3. Wrong. 2,3 which is x-axis. 2 is here now. 0, 1, 2. 3 is 3 here. Akshara is laughing, you know. Making fun of Sara, no? Very bad. What friend is your friend, no? What friend she is? He's so happy when I shouted at him. He's so excited. What friend she is? Ask her the other she would tell. She was doing that, you know?
Yes. I don't absolutely.
Totally wrong.
Right.
Who got this complete? Reflected in my origin in yours. Reflected in origin, what will you get? Opposite. Name the draw the triangles, okay? A, B, C, A dash, B dash, C dash. Then A double dash, B dash, C dash. All the three triangles first you mark. All the triangle ABC, this triangle, then one more is there. 3 triangles you have to make first. One more, third triangle. That is A dash, check which is B dash, C dash. Close this textbook. Then where is the next triangle? Array not that one, my dears. Where is which is ABC? Make the triangle ABC. Then next is what? Your A double dash is wrong. A double dash is obtained from ABC is reflected, not A dash B dash is reflected. Then ABC reflected in x-axis. We read carefully. Look here. A double dash B double dash is ABC is reflecting, not A dash B dash C dash reflecting. Careful. Next class, bring the graph. We will complete and we start with the heights and distance. Please go through the textbook and do the questions. Okay, all of you. Quickly we will complete. I think first you draw triangle ABC. Then what is A dash B dash C dash reflected in origin? Means -2, -3, -4. Mark it. Make the triangle. Then how will you get A double dash B double dash C double dash? This is reflected in x-axis, means 2 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 5, 7 comma minus 2. Make the second, so 3 triangles you will get. For x reflected in x-axis means what? X comma minus y, which is my dear, ABC is reflected in x-axis. What is mx x comma y? X comma minus y, 2 comma minus 3, 4 comma minus 5, 7 comma minus 2. Are you followed? Then next one. Okay. Then make it, then try to figure trapezium and all the things you have to do it. Okay now. So please go through. We will, I need to do this chapter when Ryan is coming. I have to work with him. Okay, so you people go through the questions of the exercise, and if you have problem, tell me. Next class coming, the following things, volume 1, volume 2, graph, tail pencil, all things will be there. Possibility will start with types and issues. Bye.